So we're going to go ahead and we're going to use this theorem that all of the angles equals 180 degrees here. So I want to solve for this value y over here, but in turn I probably need to solve for this angle over here, and I'm just going to call it angle 1. So I know that 180 degrees has to be equal to my 73 degrees plus my 31 degrees plus my angle 1. So all I'm going to do is just bring these to the other side. So this becomes 107. And then I got to get rid of my 31 degrees. And this ends up being 76 is equal to angle 1. So 76 degrees is equal to angle 1. Well, that's not what I'm trying to figure out. I'm trying to figure out angle y. Well, the best part about y and 1 is that these are a linear pair. So a linear pair is going to tell me that they're equal to 180. So angle y plus angle 1 is equal to 180. Well, I already know angle 1 is 76, so I'm plugging that in for angle 1. So angle y plus 76 is equal to 180 degrees. Subtract 76 from both sides, and I get angle y is equal to 104.